Hi there. If you're looking for a way to make money fast with little or no startup costs, then you have come to the right place. My name is Vito Jameson. I am a top seller on Fiverr, and the reason I tell you that is because it took some effort to get there, but I am a top seller, and so I have had success online. And I know a lot of people have had frustrations in getting started, have been on and mine and haven't had success, or wanting to get started but just don't know where to start. And people are always asking me, where do I get started? And that's why I'm making this video, just really quick. I would say click the link in the description box below. Going to get some great information there. This is where I tell people to get started because there's a lot of helpful information and it really is where you need to get going. Whether you're a newbie, whether you've been in for a while, there's a lot of great information. So basically, just to get started, click the link in the description box below and do wish you all the best.